Click on the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen, type Windows Security in the search bar, and press Enter. In the Windows Security window, click on Virus Threat Protection. Now, scroll down and click on Manage Settings under the Virus Threat Protection Settings section. At this point, turn off both real-time protection and cloud-delivered protection. Unzip the activator file. You can find a link to download this file in the description below the video. After downloading, right-click the file and select Extract here. Open the extracted folder and follow my instructions carefully. Now run the software. Click on Comsado to launch the activator. Choose whether you want to activate Microsoft or Windows, whichever you need. Wait a few moments. The activation process will complete automatically. Once done, your software will be fully activated and you can use it for a lifetime. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Tips and Tricks. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future tips.